Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to use goal-seek function in Excel. Goal-seek function is very important function in Excel. Goal-seek function is used in Excel to calculate or trace the targeted values. Suppose we have a situation here in which you can see there are three salesmen A, B and C, and from which A has effected the sale of 1 lakh, on which the profit percentage is 10%, and he has earned profit of 10%, which is 10,000. Similarly, salesman B has effected the sale of 1,50,000 and percentage of profit is 20% and profit earned is 30,000. So in this case there is no sale written against the C, and our total profit is hence 10,000 plus 30,000 equal to 40,000. But our target profit is 60,000, means that we want to know that how much the sale will see effect to earn a profit that will come to the total of 60,000. So as I have mentioned that we want to target a profit of 60,000. So if we will write randomly here different values, it can take so much time to calculate how much profit we will earn or how much sale will be affected to earn the profit of 60,000. So this problem will be solved by our formula that is called goal-seek function. So to apply the formula, we will select our cell of total profit, and then we'll go in data tab, and here you can see what if analysis, and from here we will see goal-seek function. And now you can see here there are three options: set cell, which is already selected as total profit, and to the value. To the value mean that how much value we want, and that is our target value, which is 60,000. So after that the third option is by changing cell, which cell we want to change, or which is our sales. So we will select here from C, salesman cell, and enter, and then we will press on OK. And you can see it has calculated 66,667 as sales and earned the profit of 30%, that will be equal to 20,000, and the total profit will go to 60,000. We will click it OK. So you can see by randomly if we will go to calculate this value, it will take a lot of time. So this is how you can use goal-seek function in Excel. If this video has helped, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.